Body language signs he secretly likes you. Is there someone in your life that you're attracted to, but you're not sure if they feel the same? Are you looking for signs, but not sure if you're reading them right? It might be frustrating for you to not know quite where you stand. However, there might be body language cues that your person of interest is exhibiting that can help you to learn more about their possible intentions. Here are 5 signs that may indicate they like you. 1. They angle their body towards you. You might think about it this way. If you're fully invested in a TV you're watching, you might square yourself up in such a way that the screen is centered in your field of vision. It can be a subconscious thing that people tend to do that allows someone to zero in on the object that has fully captured their attention. If you have your TV on for background noise, by contrast, then you might not be looking directly at it. This alone might signal to you that nothing else around the two of you seems to be as important to them as you are in that moment and context. 2. They smile a lot. If someone often smiles when they are in your presence, that alone might be a potential indicator that they like being around you. However, the kind of smile also might matter. If a person smiles at you often with a broad, ear-to-ear grin, they may be making it known that they're into you. They might like the way you make them feel and what you have to say. 3. They tell you with their eyes. Along with smiling, you might also take note of their eye movements. When they see you, their eyebrows might rise on instinct to signal their joy to see you, possibly coming along with a smile. If the person you're interested in cannot take their eyes away from you, but doesn't look at other people like that, then that's another way for you to know that you may have their full attention and interest. 4. They mirror your movements. If someone is attracted to you, another body language cue that can occur is imitation of your movements. Again, this might be subtle. For example, if the two of you are sitting in a booth at a restaurant and you touch your face, tilt back slightly, or laugh, you might choose to look to see if they do something similar, though they will probably not be aware of it. 5. They groom themselves when you come closer. If you're across the room from the person that you like and you start moving in their direction, you can try to notice if they smooth their hair back, straighten their shirt or do anything else to adjust their appearance. As humans, we generally try to look our best around someone we like. Self-grooming can be a good sign that they are trying to impress you and want to look their best around you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.